name is Varisha, and today I'm going to tell you how you can create a broadcast list and ScoreCEO. So once you have logged into your ScoreCEO, we're going to go to the leads and consumers area under the dashboard and click. When we're in the leads and consumer area, in order to create the broadcast list, we're going to refer to the section that says add list tags and click on that. Once we click, we will get these checkboxes next to each lead, and we are simply going to check the ones that we want to add to the broadcast list and click on add to broadcast. Once we click on that, this pop-up will appear from which you will be able to select the existing broadcast list, or you will be able to create a new one. Once you're done, you're simply going to click save and the broadcast list will be created. Thank you very much.